Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
Court was therefore, not right in dismissing the writ petition, full stop. We don't find any force in this contention, full stop. It is seen that the government, in consultation with the University Grants Commission, had revised the pay scale of librarian working in the colleges to rupees 700 to 1600, but they insisted upon the minimum educational qualification of first or second class MA, MSc, MCom plus a first or second class B librarian science or a diploma in library science, full stop. The relaxation given was only as regards obtaining first or second class in the prescribed educational qualification, but not relaxation in the educational qualification itself, full stop. Admittedly, the appellant doesn't possess the required educational qualification. Stop. Under the circumstances, the appellant wouldn't be entitled to the relaxation. Full stop. The principal erred in granting him the relaxation. Full stop. Since the date of relaxation, the appellant had been paid his salary on the revised scale para. However, it is not on account of any misrepresentation made by the appellant that the benefit of the higher pay scale was given to him, but by wrong construction made by the principal, for which the appellant can't be held to be at fault, full stop. Under the circumstances, the amount paid till date may not be recovered from the appellant, full stop. The principle of equal pay for equal work wouldn't apply to the scales prescribed by the University Grants Commission, full stop. The appeal is allowed partly without any order as to costs, full stop. It would be pertinent to mention, that librarians were equated with lecturers, for the grant of the pay scale of rupees 700 to 1600, full stop. The above pay parity would extend to librarians, subject to the condition that they possessed the prescribed minimum educational qualification, full stop. For those librarians appointed prior to 3.12 1972, the educational qualifications were relaxed, full stop. In Sahib Ram Verma's case, a mistake was committed by wrongly extending to the appellants the revised pay scale, by relaxing the prescribed educational qualifications, even though the concerned appellants were ineligible for the same, full stop. The concerned appellants were held not eligible for the higher scale, by applying the principle of equal pay for equal work. Stop. This court, in the above circumstances, didn't allow the recovery of the excess payment, full stop. This was apparently done because this court felt that the employees were entitled to Vijay's paragraph. Honorable Speaker, sir, the high level of provisioning by public sector banks of their stressed assets call for measures to clean up the bank books. Full stop. An asset reconstruction company limited and asset management company would be set up to consolidate and take over the existing stressed debt and then manage and dispose of the assets of alternate investment funds and other potential investors for eventual value realization. Full stop. Last year government had approved an increase in the deposit insurance cover from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakhs for bank customers. Full stop. I shall be moving amendments to the DICGS Act 1961 in this session itself to streamline the provisions, so that if a bank is temporarily unable to fulfill its obligations, the depositors of such a bank can get easy and time-bound access to their deposits to the extent of the deposit insurance cover. Full stop. This would help depositors of banks that are currently under stress. Full stop. To improve credit discipline while continuing to protect the interest of small borrowers, for NBFCs with minimum asset size of rupees 100 crores, the minimum loan size eligible for debt recovery under the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest act, 2002 is proposed to be reduced from the existing level of rupees 50 lakhs to rupees 20 lakhs. The determinalizing of the procedural and technical compoundable offences under the Companies Act, 2013, is now complete. Full stop. I now propose to next take up discriminalization of the Limited Liability Partnership Act, 2008. Full stop. Sir, I propose to revise the definition under the Companies Act 2013 for small companies by increasing their thresholds for paid up capital from not exceeding rupees 50 lakh to not exceeding rupees 2 crore and turnover from not exceeding rupees 2 crore to not exceeding rupees 20 crore. Full stop. This will benefit more than 2 lakh companies in easing their compliance requirements. Full stop. As a further measure which directly benefits start-ups and innovators, I propose to incentivize the incorporation of one-person companies by allowing OPCS to grow without any restriction on paid-up capital and turnover, allowing their conversion into any other type of company at any time, comma, reducing the residency limit for an Indian citizen to set up an OPC from 182 days to 120 days, and also allow non-resident Indians to incorporate OPGS in India. Para, we have kept working towards strategic disinvestment, full stop. A number of transactions, namely BPCL, Air India, Shipping Corporation of India